There is an app for ReCap. However, it is a student-based app where kids can submit their answers. So we're going to go to letsrecap.com, and you can do this on your web browser on your computer or in Safari on your iPad. I'm in Safari on my iPad. I'm going to select Login, and it's going to remember me. If it doesn't remember you, you will see an option to sign in or sign up with Google. Select that option, and it will probably ask you to authenticate through with your e-number and your network password. Go ahead and do that. When you do, you're going to land here in ReCap. And so once you're here, this is such a fabulous tool. Your kids will create 30-second, 60-second, 2-minute max videos that are responses to questions that you have posed for them. So I'm going to start by showing you an example. I'm going to open up the NEF 7th grade ELA class, and you're going to see that I posted a question there for them. What help do you need with your writing process? So how great is this as a pre-conference tool, as a way to meet your students who are ELLs, give them that listening practice, that speaking practice. So I posted my question to my classroom, and these are my students who responded. And when I was ready, I could come back in here, I can click right on these, and I'm going to listen to their recorded video voice of themselves responding to that question. So when you're ready to get started with your class, you're actually going to hit Add a Cue. And so I'm going to say that this is my second period. And you're going to notice it says Join Pin Only. You want to go ahead and leave that there. If I select the option that says sign in or require an account, it's a whole lot harder. Your kids have to create an account, get an authentication email, whole lot of work involved that's totally not necessary. So you want to make sure that you leave that there. And so I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add that cue. Yay! It's going to give me a join code, and you can see in there it's in bold, but it's kind of small. And so your kiddos will just go to appletsrecap.com, or they can open that app and they'll enter your join pin. Super easy. I can close that, and I'm going to go ahead and add a question that I want a video response to, and that's going to be the green bar on the left side of your screen, video responses. So my first question might be, what topic are you going to research? Y'all, the questions that you can pose here are really endless. They can be very formative in nature. How did you feel about today's class? What support do you need tomorrow? What topic are you interested in for the research project coming up in 2 weeks? Super awesome. I'm going to hit next. So here are my options as the teacher. I can max time per question. So 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 2 minutes, less is more. If you give them the whole 2 minutes, they'll probably talk the whole 2 minutes. They'll be really nervous the first couple of times they do it, and then they'll become pros. I can give a due date if I would like to. So you're going to notice that this public responses is on. You actually probably want to turn that off. When it's on, the students can all see each other's responses. So best practice is probably to turn it off. I'm going to hit send. And now it's posted there. And when my kids log into my classroom using that join code, that question will be posed there for them. And they'll just hit a button that says respond. And the great thing about this is it's also compatible with the Chromebook. So our Chromebooks have the webcam and a microphone, and Let's Recap is a really great way to make use of those tools.